So let's create another file called time dot decorator dot deco2 dot py. In this case, we wanna need some of this. Most of this code. Let's close the rest of the files, and then I'm gonna need another tool called from func import grabs. Okay, func tools. Okay, and then I wanna define a measure. This measure, but in this case we wanna say this one is a grabs. Okay, grabs func, and I'm gonna use this function here, f, but in this case I wanna say I'm gonna decorate it to measure like this. Okay, I wanna print a dot here. I'm a code I love to sleep. Okay, finally just don't need here, just call f directly and like this. I'm gonna print the name of code, and also I'm gonna print the doc. Okay, f dot doc. Let's execute it. Time measure deco2. Time decorator. Let's rename it. Okay, now it's time measure. So time measure argument now deco2. Okay, I will see that it took 0.3 seconds, and also I'm printing in the doc of this function. I'm a cat, I love to sleep. Okay, now we're talking. As you can see, all we need to do is to tell Python that the grabber actually grabs a func, that func, okay, by means of the grab function. And you can see that the original name and dog string are maintained. Okay. Let's see another example. I want a decorator that prints an error message when the result of a function is greater than a certain threshold. I will also take this opportunity to show you how to apply two decorators at once. Now let's do it. So let's create another file called two decorators dot py. In this occasion, I'm gonna need also sleep and grabs. I will also need this function measure. Okay. But in this case, let's modify something. I wanna define a variable called result equal to whatever a function returns, and also I wanna say return result. Okay, here return result. And also I wanna create another function called max result, like this. which is gonna receive a function. I'm gonna grab that function. I'm gonna define a grabber which are with arcs and also with key arcs. Result will be equal to func arcs and key arcs. Okay. After that, I'm gonna check if result is higher than 100. I wanna print something like this, saying result is too big. Max allowed is 100. Okay, and format result. Okay, else return result. Also return grabber. Grabber here. So I'm gonna say measure. I'm gonna decorate as max result. I'm gonna define a function called cube n is gonna return n with a power of 3. Okay, so let's print cube 2 and cube of 5. Let's execute it. But in this case is to decorator. And let's print it. Okay. In the first call, the result is 8, which passes the threshold check. The running time is measured and printed. Finally, we print the result 8. On the second call, the result is 125, so the error message is printed, the result returned, and then the turn of measure, which prints the running time again. And finally, we print the result 125.